So if you see me like, so yeah. My mommy, her name is Sabrina. My mommy, she calls me clumsy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. And did you see me? I just did my popular move. Oh yeah. Look, I love to dance. You see? I can win a dance competition. Yep. Talk to the butt. Oh yeah. Never mind. Just talk to me. Ooh, I see something. It's bird food. It's bird food. Ooh, it's bird food. I gotta go. Ooh, stretch. Up, down, up. And goodbye. I gotta go. I gotta go tinkle like this. Okay. Well, my mini friend is coming. So, yeah. Okay, my mini friend is coming. There's my mini friend. He's not nice. We're gonna go through a fight now. I wonder how this will go. So my mom's gonna get me real quick. Okay, now just focus on the bully. By the way, her real name is Kitty. So now she's gonna talk.
Yo, what up?
Hi. That was my practicing voice. What? Okay. Hi, I'm Kitty, and I love to cuddle. I just don't like big things like this iPod. See me freaking out? Look, and that's Tweety. I don't like Tweety. Me and Tweety don't get along. Hi, Tweety. Hi, Tweety. Hi, Tweety. Hi, Tweety. Hi, Tweety. Tweety. Hi, Tweety. Tweety. Who is
This
that?
is the bulliest of bullies.
And this is the bulliest of all bullies. Wow. That's Chloe. Hi, Tweety. Hi, Tweety. Hi, Tweety.
And bye.
Hi, Kitty. Hi, Kitty. Continuing on with our speech. Oh, yeah, I'm a kitty. I'm a kitty, kitty cat. You're a kitty, kitty cat. She just comes up to me, so I want to see. Let's get it on camera, her doing it to you. Okay, come here. Come here, baby. This is the dentist, Tweety. She's going to be a dentist when she grows up. Come on, Tweety. Ooh. Hello. It's so gross but funny. She's testing my slobber. Okay, that's enough of that. She went under my tongue. Ooh, burn. Okay, come here, Kitty. This is Kitty. Okay. Nobody likes you, Kitty. So up close and personal. That's Tweety. That's Kitty. That's Sabrina. I'm Sam. And goodbye. Later.